This is Champion Auto Spa. In today's video we have a Fiat 124 Spider. I'm going to give it a vacuum and a steam. It doesn't look like a disaster detail. There's not that much stuff in here, but there's still a really big difference after I steam clean these leather seats and the interior cabin. So watch until the end for a big reveal. For those that don't know, the Fiat 124 Spider is a variant of the Mazda Miata. Fiat took the chassis and the underpinnings and they put their own spin on it. They took the cabin materials and design and changed it up a little bit, and what we get is a nice Italian roadster, behaves a little bit differently than the Miata, but still a very fun drive and a fun space to be in. This is my customer's summer car. He drives it around on the back roads. He makes great use out of it. If you saw my engine bay detailing video, you would see all of the leaves that we pulled out, just handfuls of leaves. So I'll throw the link up, go check that out. But today we're going to be focusing on the interior. Starting off, I showed a little bit of the before video clips. This cabin is not super dirty, but it is well used, so we're going to be giving it a thorough vacuum. I have here a shop vac, some medium bristle brushes, a microfiber towel. I have my Bissell Steam Shot steamer. Inside the steamer, we usually use vinegar or O&R Optimum No Rinse. You guys know the process already. Vacuum all of the large debris, then go in with your brushes and get more specific. Always make sure your tools are at the ready and you have a process in mind so that you're not getting caught up or losing steam. As we jump to the driver's side footwell here, very quick process. A very big difference from my usual cleans. As you guys know, I put up a lot of disaster details and grimy stuff, so this is a nice fresh break. Steam portion here, I always begin by cleaning off the gauge cluster and the touchscreen first. You want to make sure that your microfiber has nothing embedded in it that might scratch or drag dirt around. So do that first and you don't have to worry about it. Save the dirtiest parts for last. This car is a 2014 or 2015, I believe, and the interior has held up really well. We're going to want to pass our steamer over it quickly in controlled movements. Do not hold it on one spot for too long. We'll go throughout with a quick microfiber wipe, and this cabin will look great again.